So what's up, guys? Today I'm going to be playing Subway Surfers. I'm going to be reaching Diamond League, and before I start, I'm just saying this is a modded / hacked version, but it won't really affect my score or anything. So we're going to be getting to Diamond League, and that will be the video. So we're going to be starting right now. I might use like one or three keys, basically 1 or 2 saves, but yeah, guys, I'm just gonna get right into the video, and hopefully I can do it first try. I'm trying to use a little amount of saves, if I even use saves. So yeah. Okay, so let's continue. Please subscribe if you're new. Like the video if you like the video, and please in the comments give me ideas on what to play or what videos to make, because I have no clue what you guys want to see and I want to entertain you guys. So yeah, give me ideas on videos and stuff like that. We're at 220,000. The next video is probably gonna be. Oh yeah, I already got it planned. It's gonna be a Piano Tiles 2 video. I don't really know why I'm uploading it. I just am, because I haven't uploaded it in my channel. And then after that, I'm probably gonna make more creative destruction videos. So yeah. I don't know why I did that. If you guys can't hear me well, then sorry. If you can, then that's good. I'm continuing, and I'm at 450,000. I thought I was gonna lose there, but good thing I didn't. I just want a speed boost to make the gameplay thing faster, because I don't like when it goes so slow, because it takes long. It doesn't really take long, but I just still don't like it. I'm gonna start uploading more frequently, so that's one reason you should subscribe. I'm not gonna be posting daily yet, because I don't think it will be too much work, but it might. And also, when my channel is bigger, I will start doing it, but not right now, nah. But I still am going to be posting very frequently. We are not halfway there. We're going to 2 million as our score because to get to Diamond League you need 1,800,000. So we're just gonna go to 2 million. I mean. So guys, we're gonna be continuing. Okay, if you guys heard what my sister said in the background, sorry, cause it wasn't me, it was her. And yeah, that kind of sucks. She did that, but it was her, and I'm kind of mad at her, and I just lost. Oh no, I can't use a key, so I'm gonna retrying, I guess. And yeah, I got 790, which puts me in gold, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. When I'm around what I just got in this time, I'm gonna get back to you guys, so I'll be right back. So what's up guys, I'm continuing, and last round I did better than this round that I'm doing right now. I don't know how or why. And I've already had to use 2 saves, so that is horrible. Hopefully I don't get disconcentrated and lose. But yeah. We're almost halfway to the halfway mark. If you guys have like a multiplayer game that I can play with some other YouTuber, then let me know and I'll try to ask them if they want to. Like Creative Destruction, I might find a YouTuber that wants to do a collaboration, and then I'll make a video, then post it. Oh no, you see guys, I'm not doing that good. I already did 3 saves. Okay, so I was saying, if you have any YouTuber that wants to do a collaboration or something, then tell me and I'll ask them if they want to do one of a multiplayer game for me and him can play together. No. Okay. Still alive, that's good. You see, I'm playing so bad right now, I don't even know why. me. I thought I was gonna lose there. That's why I used the hoverboard. If you haven't checked out my previous video, go check that out. Because I played Creative Destruction. Even if I did so bad. Like, I for real did so bad. I don't even know why, because I usually do good in blast mode, and then the time I was recording, I do bad. Like, it was so weird. Okay, I'm very close to hitting Diamond League. And whoa, that's risky. Not risky, but dangerous. What's it called? The season thing ends today or tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna have the diamond badge whenever I play Subway Surfers again. I wish they made like a very huge update in Subway Surfers where you unlock so much more options. That'd be so cool. But I guess not. Even if they do update it like once a month, which is really good, still they really need to make a huge update, changing stuff, adding new characters, and having like new game modes like PvP or something like that. Also, if someone beats me, like gets over my #1 spot, I might make a video doing this again and beating him. But like, I don't think so. Someone's gonna beat me. So the video is about to end, guys. I'm just gonna crash my hoverboard and then just do it like this. There we go. That's gonna end the video. Well, not end the video, but give me 2 diamond league. Okay, that's the record, 2,300,000, and I am at Diamond League. So that's gonna be the end of the video. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe because I post Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So yeah, peace out.